This is the table I had at the Nationals in Salt Lake City that everyone really liked. The unique thing about this table was that the pads turn automatically from right hand to left hand polars. Plus a couple other things. The pegs are stainless steel, the top is diamond plate. It's a very unique machine. I haven't seen another one like it. And I'll show you how it works. So all you have to do is grab the handle underneath, swing it from one side to the other side, lock it in position, and there you go. Now it's a left hand table. If you want to go back to right hand, just grab the handle, just give it a firm pull, lock it back in position. Now you're back ready for the right hand polars. And then at the same time, I have a pin that I use which locks the mechanism in place. So if you want to keep it permanently in, say, right hand position, you just slip the pin in position and now it won't move. And no matter how hard or strong the polars are, these pads will not move. They're solid. And if you want to change it out again, no problem. You just pull out the pin and lock it back in position. And normally, with the way the table is, it locks in position and it should stay that way. So I just have this as a safety precaution. And I'll show you a little bit the bottom part of the frame here. As you can see, the bottom part of the frame, I use flat steel. It's 2 inches wide, 1/4 inch thick. I have 8 holes drilled in the bottom of it, so you can mount it to a sheet of plywood. But I put the extra holes in there, that way you can mount it pretty darn good and the table will not move around. It's solid. The frame I use angle iron, and it's 3/16 inch steel, and I have 4 bolts on each leg holding it in place. And this table's solid. It doesn't twist, it doesn't move. If you want a strong table, this is the one. I'll just show you one more time how this works. Just grab the handle underneath and locks in position. We're back to the other side for left hand polars. And there you go. And on my next table that I plan on making, this was the one that like I said, I showed at the Nationals. I just wanted to see if people liked it. And everybody did. So I am going to start putting these in production. But I'm going to make a couple slight changes to them. First thing is, in certain areas I'm going to have a padding on the table so that if your elbows come off, you won't hit the table. Or if you happen to lose your grip and you hit the table, you won't hurt your knuckles. So it's going to have padding in certain areas to protect your hand and your elbows. The other thing I'm going to be doing on the next table, instead of the handles being underneath here, I'll put the handle underneath this side. That way the ref can change the position from left hand to right hand anytime he wants to. Plus he won't be in the way of the arm wrestlers. And that's about it.